Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today my topic is about emotions and emotional control. What are emotions? Emotions have come from the Latin word, or we can say rather derived from the Latin word emover, which means to move out. Emotions are considered as the building blocks of the personality. As all of we know that every individual has emotions. Basically, according to the study, there are 4 core emotions which are happy, sadness, afraid or surprised, angry or disgust. These are the 4 emotions, rather I can say 4 core emotions which have been identified by the psychologists and have been identified by the study that is taken by the psychologists, and they have derived 4 core emotions which I told you, that is happiness, sadness, afraid or surprised, angry or disgust. So these are the 4 core emotions. Now emotions are considered as the building blocks of the person. Every individual has emotion, and at a particular time if one gets angry, that means he gets angry, he reacts to the stimulus, to whatever, for what reason he gets angry, why he gets angry, that means the emotion raises out from his inner self and is enabled in front of the person to whom he or she shows his emotions. Now there are basic emotions and their functions. Some of the basic emotions and functions are, that is fear, and its function is to protect. Anger, its function is destruction. Joy, its function is incorporation. Disgust, its function is rejection. Acceptance, its function is reproduction. Sadness, its function is reintegration. Surprise, its function is orientation. Anticipation, and its function is exploration. Now this was emotions. What are the ways in which emotions vary? Emotions vary in 3 main ways. That is, first is intensity. Distinction we make between grief and sadness, between fear and panic, or annoyance or fury. That means intensity वो emotion है. There are 3 ways in which emotions vary. Intensity एक ऐसा इट इज़ ऐसा वे है जिस तरीके से सपोज वी मेक डिस्टिंक्शन, हम कैसे डिफ्रेंशिएट करते हैं बिटवीन ग्रीफ एंड सॉरो, और हैप्पीनेस एंड सैडनेस, और वी कैन से fear and panic. That means we have that intensity to distinguish, to differentiate between the different emotions that we are going through. Another is similarity. Emotions have tons. Another is reflected in our acceptance of the fact that joy and disgust. That means we know what is the similarity between the 2 emotions. We know what is the intensity between the emotions, and above all they are the ways in which emotions vary. And the another is polarity. Some emotions are opposite. कुछ emotions same होते हैं, लेकिन कुछ emotions opposite होते हैं एक दूसरे के. Now what are the functions of emotions? अब emotions के उनका काम क्या है? Functions of emotions. What are functions of? First of all, it is preparation for action. That means emotion prepare us to respond to the stimuli. कोई भी चीज़ जब हम कहीं पे करते हैं, दैट मीन्स अगर हमसे कोई ऐसे बात करे जिससे हमें गुस्सा आए, तो दैट मीन्स ही इज़ गिविंग अस स्टिमुलस. एंड एंगर एक ऐसा इमोशन है जो हमारे अंदर से बाहर निकल कर इनेबल हो जाता है उस इंसान के सामने, एंड we react as our emotions are that time we are in anger state. लेकिन that means preparation for action. जो emotions है वो हमें prepare करते हैं कि आपको कौन सा action किस time पे करना है. Another is shaping future behavior. Obviously it is understood, जब हमें ये prepare करता है एक जो हमारा emotion है, that prepares us what we have to do or how we have to react to the particular stimulus, how we have to respond to a particular stimulus. Similarly it also shapes our future behavior. अब कैसे ये हमारे future behavior को shape करता है, कैसे ये हमारा future behavior बनाता है? Suppose I'll quote an example here. अगर हम कहीं पे जॉब इंटरव्यू के लिए जाते हैं, एंड वी नो हमारा जो बिहेवियर है मे बी ही और द इंटरव्यूअर्स जो हैं वो कुछ ऐसे क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं, हो सकता है आपको कहीं पे गुस्सा भी आए या कुछ भी हो, तो आप कहीं पे कंट्रोल ना कर सके अपने इमोशंस को, एंड यू व्हाट यू डू, आप अपना इमोशन कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो आप उसकी वजह से आपका जॉब जो है वो आपके हाथों से चला जाता है। दैट मीन्स उधर आपका काम कौन करता है, आपका जो बिहेवियर, आपका कौन, जो आपके इमोशंस हैं वो आपके बिहेवियर में दिखते हैं, और जिसकी वजह से आपका जो फ्यूचर है वो शेप होने से पहले ही बिगड़ जाता है। दैट मीन्स हमारे जो इमोशंस हैं they are very much, they have very much function to do in our daily lives. It shapes our future behavior. Another is it helps us to interact. Emotions helps us to interact. If we are in a state of anger, it helps us, it is easily seen in our behavior. If we are in a state of anger, if we are in a state of love, it is easily seen in our behavior that we are in a state of love, we are in a state of anger, we are in a state of fear. So अगर हम, I'll quote an example for this point here, that अगर किसी टीचर, कोई बच्चा है क्लास में, उसको टीचर डांट रहा है, तो that means it is easily seen in his or her behavior that he fears or she fears the teacher. तो उस फेयर के हिसाब से वो वैसे ही इंटरेक्ट करेगा टीचर के साथ जो इमोशन उस टाइम उसमें इनेबल हो। दैट मीन्स उस टाइम उसमें फेयर इनेबल होता है, उस टाइम उसमें फेयर उसके बिहेवियर में दिखता है। दैट मीन्स वो उसी डर के टीचर के साथ बात करता है। तो उस हिसाब से क्या लगता है हमें, दैट मीन्स ही इंटरेक्ट्स और शी इंटरेक्ट्स विद द टीचर when in his behavior the fear emotion is enabled or reflected. Another is it helps us to interact more effectively with others. So these were some of the functions which emotions does for us or do for us. First of all, preparation for action. Second is shaping future behavior. Third is helping us interact more effectively with others. Now question arises, how can we control our emotions? Emotional control, or we can say emotional self-regulation, is the ability to respond to the ongoing demands of the experiences with a range of emotions in a manner that is socially tolerable. इमोशनल कंट्रोल का मतलब है, और वी कैन से इमोशनल कंट्रोल को इमोशनल सेल्फ रेगुलेशन भी बोलते हैं. इट इज़ एन एबिलिटी टू रिस्पॉन्ड टू द ऑन गोइंग डिमांड्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंसेस विद अ रेंज ऑफ इमोशंस दैट इज सोशली टॉलरेबल. यानी कि इमोशनल कंट्रोल होता है. सपोज आई कोटेड एन ऑलरेडी एन एग्जाम्पल. अगर हमें इंटरव्यू के लिए जाना है एंड हमें कहीं पे इंटरव्यू ऐसे सवाल पूछते हैं जिनसे हमारा एंगर इमोशन जाग जाए, लेकिन हमारा उस टाइम पे ये होगा कि वी हैव टू control our emotion in a manner which is socially tolerable. That is known as emotional control. And why it is important? It is important because the person with good emotional control, obviously the person with good emotional control can go forward and can achieve the success and consciously promote more positive emotions than harmful disempowered ones. It's important. Person with a good emotional control possesses empowerment. जो इंसान में अच्छे इमोशन कंट्रोल कर सकता है इमोशंस को, उसको वो जल्दी एम्पावरमेंट हासिल करता है, लेकिन विद पॉजिटिव इमोशंस. लेकिन अगर नेगेटिव इमोशंस हो देन इट्स हार्मफुल एंड disempowered ones also. I hope you understand it. It was all for today. Thank you very much.